Vaccines have saved 6 lives every minute for the past 50 years. Polio, measles, rubella, diseases that once stole children's lives are now preventable with a vaccine. That's the power of science. WHO has supported Timor-Leste to introduce new vaccines, roll out COVID-19 vaccination, and shape the country's immunization strategy for the next 5 years. It has helped strengthen decision-making, train health workers, improve the surveillance and laboratory testing. Together, these efforts have helped Timor-Leste maintain measles, rubella, maternal and neonatal tetanus elimination and its polio-free status, while also responding quickly to outbreaks such as rabies. This World Immunization Week, let's stand with science. Choose protection, vaccinate, because vaccine work for generations. Thank you. Obrigado, Barack.